How to add a border to video in Capcut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a border to a video in Capcut. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Capcut. After you've opened up your Capcut, simply choose the video that you want to add a border to. And after you do that, you will see this plus icon right here. After you tap on the plus icon, you will need to import a black screen. So simply select that and import it. After you import it, you will simply need to overlay it. Tap on this very black screen and then you'll find the overlay option. After you do that, simply drag it here. Now you can expand this as well. Now, since we have this black screen now, what we'll need to do is we'll need to select this and we'll need to crop it. To crop it, you can tap on the edit option. You can find it somewhere around here. Tap on transform, tap on resize, and then resize it. Now you can just select the ratio. You can use the square feature here. You can use whichever you want. Tap on done. You can even just play around with this as well. After you do that, you will need to choose an option here. So simply choose for an option that says mask. Search for it and you'll find it right here. Now tap on the mask option, use the rectangle feature, and after you do that, you should be able to add the border. So to add the border now, what we'll do is tap on the invert option. So tap on it. After you add the mask and you invert it, you can resize this as much as you want. You can just, again, if you're not satisfied with the size, you can head back, select that very black screen. Let me search for that black screen. Tap on this icon, and after you're on the black screen again, head over to transform, tap on resize, and then you can resize it. You can custom it. You can make it larger, you can make it smaller. It's completely up to you. And yeah, with that you can add the video, the border, and you can export this now. And that is how you can add a border in your Capcut video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.